Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Revolut for international money transfers. Let's get straight into it. There are a couple of steps. The first is to set up your Revolut account. So you got to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Just verify your identity and address, and then fund your Revolut account with the currency that you want to transfer. So once you have the money in your Revolut account, you move on to the second step, and that is to add the recipient's details. So you can just tap on the transfer tab in the Revolut app and then select international transfer. And what you're going to do is just to enter the recipient's detail, including their name, their address, and bank account details. And then you gotta choose the transfer currency and amount. So just select the currency that you want to transfer, enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then Revolut is gonna display the exchange rates and any applicable fees. So what you want to do is to just review and confirm the transfer. So you got to review the transfer details, and that will include the exchange rates, the fees, and of course the recipient's detail. Now all you got to do is just confirm the transfer, and then you can also track the transfer. So Revolut is going to provide you with a transaction ID to track the transfer, and you can just track the transfer in the Revolut app, or you can do that on the Revolut website. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps out a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.